Let's look at how to clock a gas meter. This method has been used for a long time to determine the actual BTU output of a gas furnace. By recording the time it takes for a dial to make one revolution, you can determine the amount of gas the furnace is burning. You will need to obtain the BTU heat content of 1 cubic foot of gas from your local gas utility. For our example, we will use 1,000 BTUs per cubic foot. Make sure all other gas appliances are shut off, even those with a pilot light. Make sure the furnace you are checking is running at maximum output. You will need a stopwatch. Most phones have one. Watch the smallest dial on the meter. Usually this is the half cubic foot. Time how long it takes the dial to make one revolution. Multiply the dial size by 3600. 3600 is the number of seconds in an hour. So if it's a half cubic foot dial, it would be 3600 times 0.5 equals 1800. Divide that number by the number of seconds it took. Let's use 22 seconds. 1800 divided by 22 is 81.82. Multiply that number by BTU content of 1 cubic foot of gas provided by the utility. Let's use 1,000 BTUs. 81.82 times 1,000 equals 81,820 BTUs per hour. To get furnace actual output in BTUs, you multiply 81,820 by 80% AFU rating, which gives you a total output of 65,456 BTUs per hour.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.